Hey friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are going to discuss one more important topic, that is torque assist regarding the smart hybrid vehicles. We all have experienced how the technology works, and especially the auto start and stop function. These two videos are available in the video description link if you haven't watched it. So in this session we are going to have some important topic discussion regarding torque assist. We all have been promoted by smart hybrid vehicle sellers that the smart hybrid vehicles are giving extra mileage than the regular vehicles, and they are charging the hefty amount of 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees extra on MRP by just adding this smart hybrid feature. So is it really worthy to buy that car? If this question really tickles you, this video is for you. Smart hybrid vehicle manufacturers always promote that their vehicles are giving the torque assist, but there is no certain parameter you can measure this torque assist. So the smart drive is going very deeper in this view, and if you are a daily user, how you will experience this smart hybrid feature in your car. So we are having 1.3 diesel engine over here which is equipped with the smart hybrid feature, and this is Ciaz. It is also equipped with the Baleno, Brezza as well Ertiga. So if you are going for buying one of these vehicles, you should know this technology first, and then you are opting for the smart hybrid vehicles. So we'll rush to have a quick drive and we'll get the clear analysis whether it is working with the torque assist or not. So please stay tuned with us, watch the full video. In case you have any doubts, kindly comment below. So friends, here we are about to start our demo for torque assist. Please note, when I start driving, HSVS glows over here, which indicates either charging or discharging. In case you are having this as a complete flashing light, your battery is down and you need to service your battery very properly to get the SHVS working normally once again. So please note, you have any doubts about this blinking lights or something, you can comment below. We will have special videos on that as well. Hey friends, we are right now on the highway and we are going to drive, let you know what are the 5 important factors of torque assist. So let's drive in. So the first thing first, we have the gear indicator equipped with the all smart hybrid cars, and there is one quick tip for that. When you are shifting the gears, the gear indicator available on the cluster panel should always give us a white dot over here. Then and then only the torque assist will work. As you can clearly see, HSVS is blinking right now. As you can clearly see, it is indicating 4th gear and showing us to shift up. So it is totally dependent on the gear, and the gear indicator will help us to select the gears properly to activate the torque assist system. The second most important factor is the RPM shown here. Please note, the torque assist won't work after 2000 RPM. To demonstrate the same, we are accelerating within 8 seconds more than 2000 RPM, and HSVS light glows over here will goes off after 2000 RPM. See, after 2000 RPM, the HSVS won't work. HSVS goes off after 2000 See, there is no when we are about 2000 rpm. Please see carefully. While accelerating above 2000 rpm, the HSVS goes off. So this was the second tip. The RPM range is crucial thing for torque assist. The third important parameter over here is the countdown timer. Please note, in the respective gear, the car will only assist for 7 to 8 seconds each time. Right now we will shift to 5th gear and we will accelerate slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you can clearly see, after 7 seconds it discontinued giving the torque assist. I will shift down right now. I will release the accelerator for some time. Accelerated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this was the third important tip, that for every respective gear, the car will assist for 8 seconds on the continual basis. Unless and until you are releasing the accelerator once again, you will not find the torque assist working for you. Now the fourth important parameter is of headlights on. Please note, the torque assist won't work when your headlights are on. This is only to save the battery life. So the fourth important tip for torque assist is that the torque assist of smart hybrid vehicle will not work when the headlights are on. I am accelerating right now, but there is no light glowing. But while deacceleration, the light goes on. The fifth and the most important tip over here is, higher the speeds during deacceleration, the faster it gets charged. I am shifting to 5th gear. Release the accelerator right now. It is getting charged. Pressing the accelerator once again, you will find that there is no blinking on HSVS. It is smoothly shifting from deacceleration to acceleration, and the starter generator motor supporting the engine for next 7 to 8 seconds consecutively. Releasing once again, braking, and as you can clearly see, we have fabulous technology over here, and I am demonstrating only this for you. This has significant difference during calculation of the mileages and the pickup. So smart hybrid feature is always recommended. As you can clearly see, I am pressing the accelerator, HSVS glows on. So friends, this was a quick demo of torque assist. In case you have any doubts or you have any other issues regarding smart hybrid, you don't miss to comment below and we will help you out on the immediate basis. So this is Smart Drive. Welcome to our family. In case you haven't watched the previous 2 smart hybrid vehicle videos, please watch them carefully. In case you have any doubts, kindly comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you really liked it. And thanks for watching. This is Vishwajit signing off from Smart Drive.